Today behind me we're at the Holy Church where the Holy Fire ceremony is due to take place. The police have been preparing for months meticulously at all different angles, both logistically and with the relations of the community leaders, meeting with them, making sure that we can make sure that this event goes by flawlessly. At the end of the day, the Israel police is here to ensure both safety and order while making sure that we ensure that balance of freedom of worship. At the end of the day, we want everybody to have a good time, but we want them to do it safely. The numbers today can vary. As you know, we are in a state of war. The security tensions are tight, but that is why there's increased police forces around us. Both the Israel police and border police are here overtly, covertly, and in the vicinity around the Old City.
Show them your CPO.
He was flashing the gang sign. He did. I was in that. I got it.